Our life is lying beyond the imagination of our thought and our imagination. Life is so difficult to create as a desirable in shape. We cannot make life as in our style, as in our fashionable, but it can be felt in our sense. Life Life is so beautiful when we heart, but life is so difficult and life is full of tears when we try to struggle to something in the life, because life is so unpredictable in our life. That's why describable of life is so uncomfortable. This is why our life is going in a wrong way. This is because of our bad habit. When we do a bad habit in our life will be in a bad condition.